Hey there, and welcome to another exciting episode of the Palm Beaches TV Watch Party series. I'm your host, Theo Dorsey, and today we're taking a look at some of the minority-owned businesses that make Palm Beach County, Florida, one of the nation's most vibrant areas. Let's meet the designer known as the Master of Florals and the King of Wiring.
Designer Varito Vasquez was born in Costa Rica, where his career began working in hotels and travel agency management. From there, he moved on to designing flower arrangements for large weddings and corporate events. These days, Varito is getting attention from all over the globe for his unique floral designs. This guy is awesome.
My professional actually is a floral designer.
That's what you are. You're a master.
That's what I'm a floral master designer.
All right, what's the first step? You're creating this amazing masterpiece.
This is the regular leaf, and I'm gonna deconstruct the leaf.
Okay.
So to create something different.
Now, where do you get your inspiration from?
The containers inspire me sometimes. Sometimes is the occasion.
Yep.
Most of the time is emotional. For me, every material is piece of gold. And I'm gonna start placing my leaves a bit, maybe here.
You take boutonniere making and you create jewelry from it. Like the inspiration that's sort of, it's incredible.
And actually in the industry, my industry, a lot of people know me as the king of wire.
Oh, so you're the master of the florals and you're the king of the wires.
Kind of.
That's that's nice to have two titles. This is cool.
So now I'm gonna use a different color of this. Yeah, this one is better.
I was gonna say the same thing, yeah.
Normally I help them just to open a little more, and I help Mother Nature.
Give them a little help?
Yes, I normally help Mother Nature just to do. They say, hey,
That's very nice of you.
Yeah, please.
These lavish parties you're creating, that's a whole other level.
My responsibility is to create something massive.
Yeah.
The creative directors come to me and with the ideas, all the ideas, and I need to develop everything. Create the recipes, create how many stems I need for each centerpieces, and probably will be like a 20 centerpieces, could be like a 50 centerpieces. It's a teamwork because there is a lot of heads working together just to have the ideas and, have the final product.
Sometimes it's the most special day that person or that group is ever going to have.
Exactly.
Right? Yeah.
It's
like a tower of flower.
A tower of flower.
You can use that if you want.
These kind of leaves give me the option through the holes, the
Go
little
through
holes.
The holes. Yeah.
This is the magic. That's the magic when you're doing flowers. I create the balance. I keep my height.
Yeah. Man, yeah, you're pretty good. You know?
I think.
Yeah, I think you might be a master.
Hire me.
I think you might be a master, king, or something.
Wow, those floral designs create a picture-perfect backdrop for every special occasion. And we have the perfect planner to help us bring it all together. Naomi Zora Events takes those precious moments to new heights with specially curated productions perfect for your destination wedding.
Welcome, Naomi Zora of Naomi Zora Events.
Thank you.
Definitely give her a call. You are a big award winner. Tell us about all of your fantastic awards.
I am listed on The Knot, on Wedding Wire, a few publications, Borrowed in Blue, Every Last Detail, a few of them. It helps when we get reviews from our clients and they kind of rave about us, so yeah.
So what's it like planning events here in the Palm Beaches? What makes this area so fantastic? Because it is. I mean, the events here are like nowhere else in the world.
Yeah, no, absolutely. We have a variety of venues. We have beach venues, we have country clubs, we have yacht clubs, you go 30 minutes and you're at a farm. So a ton of venues to pick from, and just the weather. Why not? It's beautiful weather all the time. So you have a perfect backdrop. A lot of couples come here instead of going abroad or internationally, and they plan their destination wedding here. When I create a timeline for a wedding, I put a lot of detail and it's like a 2-month process to create a perfect timeline. So we're looking at 15 pages of details. It's a lot. I would say the detail that goes into it, and just really allowing my client to trust me and trust in my ability to provide them with the best wedding that they want. Because there's no cookie cutter wedding. It's what's special to them.
And part of what you do is sort of protect the people
Yes.
you're planning for from all of the things that can and do go wrong. Do you have any good stories?
There's a lot of things that go on behind the scenes. Every wedding, there's bound to be something that happens that the bride is just unaware of. I've had fire trucks show up at weddings. I've had ambulance show up at weddings. I've had sprinklers going off in the kitchen. I mean, honestly, there are a million stories, but nothing too drastic.
And usually you can keep it from the bride and
Yes,
groom?
yes. I do not tell them until after. We can laugh about it after, but in the moment, no way. What I would say is put your personality into your wedding. You know, couples get so wrapped up in wanting it to be perfect and going by the book of like etiquette, but just throw that out the window. Just go based off of your personality and everything will come together as it should.
Best tips for picking food for your wedding?
Do a tasting, do a food tasting, 100%, because some couples with destination, they're not always local. What I do is I say try to get a 3-day block during the week where you can fly in, you could do your floral mock-up, you could do your food tasting, you could do your makeup trial, like all of those hands-on activities that you can't do from a distance. Do all of it in person, but the food, that's important. When you think of a wedding and you think of the success of a wedding, you think of the food and the entertainment. Mm-hmm. So those two things are really important, and you want to make sure that you try the food, but you also trust your entertainment vendor as well.
Mm-hmm.
Bands are cool, but they don't play the original version, and DJs are also cool, but you don't get that live element. So when you fuse the two and you get a hybrid, that's probably my favorite. Tips, I would say kind of scout the area as far as what type of venue you're looking for, whether it be a farm, whether it be a country club, whether it be somewhere on the ocean, like a beachfront place, private residence. There's so many options down here, so that is equally as important, but also knowing the season that you want to get married, because we have seasons down here and it gets rainy in the summer, so that's not always the best for destination weddings. So yeah, just know your season, plan your date around it, and your budget and guest count kind of falls into place.
What are some of your favorite venues here?
We have so many. We have the Breakers, Flagler Museum, Palm Beach. Down south, we have the Boca Resort, we have the Addison. So honestly, every venue has its own style, so it really depends on the couple.
Have you done a scuba diving wedding yet?
No, but that sounds fun.
And for our final stop, we're heading to Northwood Village to meet Tracy Guiteau, owner of Artpreneurs Gallery. Let's learn how the original pieces here become both artwork and therapeutic creations.
Tracy Guiteau has been drawing since she can remember, starting at about 3 years old. Her parents pushed for a career in medicine, but art was Tracy's destiny, with her Haitian roots as an inspiration. We're here in Northwood where Tracy's opened up her very own art gallery, serving as an inspirational light for others. I'm gonna go inside and see if I can find my own light.
This type of space like this has been an idea like in the works for like over a couple of decades, because we've always been talking about having a space where we can all work together.
A lot of the reason starting this was to kind of get that feeling back from art school.
Right.
You know, just being around different artists, different talents.
We already know about this type of art, you know what I mean? We want to share with other people the type of art we can create, the type of art we can create together.
Yeah.
A lot of it's dealing with a lot of social issues, a lot of like racial issues, a lot of things like that, you know what I mean?
So you're building a home for yourself that then can inspire other people.
Exactly, yeah. They associate artists as struggling artists. We want to show them that this is not the case.
Right.
You know?
Yeah,
like,
we're thriving.
Right.
Yeah. The inspiration for your art. Tell me where yours comes from.
Each piece is a diary.
Yeah.
They have hidden words within them.
Oh.
So, and they're all therapeutic, and it's therapeutic for me, so I want it to be therapeutic for the viewer also, so.
I didn't see the word thing. That's a whole, that was like a puzzle. I like it. This is great stuff. Can you teach anybody, by the way? Art?
Yes.
You can?
Yes.
You can. If you can draw a circle, square, triangle, I can teach you to draw.
Yeah. I've tried. I don't know. So part of the fun of your painting, besides them being beautiful, is that you find the words.
Right now, I'm gonna have you start with.
Me?
Yes.
No, you show me first. I don't want to ruin this.
You're not gonna ruin
Okay,
it.
all right.
Okay, you're gonna start with the deeper colors,
Okay.
right? You just go with the flow,
Oh.
right?
And so what am I just like? Yeah.
Yes. Yeah, look at that.
Can I play like that?
Uh-huh.
Right?
Yes.
Oh my God, I'm a natural. Oh, you know what this means though? See down here with your name. That's gonna have to. There's not a lot of room for my name down there, but upward.
Yes.
Oh yeah, there it is. Oh, look at that. It's even inspirational. That's nice.
This was actually a self-portrait. This was more of a reflection period. My grandma and my mom passed from cancer. These are plants that was a reminder of them. This is what they called associ in Haiti. All these plants are tied to the root of the stem that's attached to the heart. So everything that happens in your life, regardless good or bad, it always strengthens you and never steers you.
That's fantastic.
Thank you.
Artpreneurs Gallery offers live drawings, camps, sip and paint events, love those, and so much more. Take one trip to the Palm Beaches and you won't be disappointed by the diversity our business community has to offer. Watch full episodes of the shows featured today by going to the video on demand section at thepalmbeaches.tv. Thank you so much for joining us here today. I'm Theo Dorsey. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and I'll see you next week. And also remember, the Palm Beaches welcomes everyone.
Greetings, I'm Emmanuel Perry, Executive Director of the Tourist Development Council. Here in Palm Beach County, diversity, equity, inclusion, and accessibility are a vital part of our marketing efforts. They guide our thinking in branding, recruitment, sales, and community engagement. Thank you for joining us as we unite with one singular message. The Palm Beaches welcomes everyone.
The Palm Beaches.
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 Welcomes.
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 Everyone. Everyone.
Everyone.
Everyone.
The Palm Beaches welcomes everyone.
The Palm Beaches welcomes everyone.
Tout le monde est bienvenu à The Palm Beaches.
Todos son bienvenidos al condado de Palm Beach.
Le plage de palmiers accueille tout le monde.
Namaste. Palm Beach కు అందరికీ స్వాగతం.
Palm Beach はすべての皆さんを歓迎します。
Tutti quanti sono benvenuti ai Palm Beaches.
Chào mừng quý khách đến với Palm Beaches.
The Palm Beaches xin chào tout le monde.
The Palm Beaches welcomes everyone.
The Palm Beaches welcomes everyone.
The Palm Beaches welcomes everyone. The Palm Beaches welcomes everyone.
The Palm Beaches welcomes everyone. Everyone.
Everyone.
Everyone.
Everyone.
The Palm Beaches welcomes everyone.
The Palm Beaches welcomes everyone. Woo!